In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a song from your Suno AI account. Whether you're looking to tidy up your music collection or simply free up some space, removing songs you no longer want is a straightforward process. Let's walk through it step by step. To get started, first we need to log into your Suno AI account, head over to the Suno AI website, and click on the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials, your username or email address, and your password. If you happen to have forgotten your password, there's usually an option right there below the login fields for you to recover or reset it. Once you have entered the correct details, hit the login button. You'll be directed to your account dashboard. Now that you are logged in, the next step is to navigate to your song library. This is where all your uploaded and created songs are stored. You should find a menu or navigation bar, possibly on the left side of your screen or at the top, depending on how the interface might have recently changed. Look for an option labeled My Songs or Library. Clicking on this will take you directly to your music library where all your previously saved tracks are listed. Once you're in your library, it's time to select the song you want to delete. Browse through your list until you find the track you no longer wish to keep. Be sure to click on the correct one if you have multiple songs with similar names. It might help to play a small preview to ensure it is indeed the song you intend to delete. After confirming you've selected the correct track, look for the delete option. This option should be visible once you've clicked on the song or brought up additional details about it. In most interfaces, this might be represented by a trash can icon or clearly marked as delete, and it's usually located near other song management options like editing or sharing. Once you've clicked delete, you'll likely receive a prompt confirming your action. This message acts as a safeguard, ensuring you don't accidentally erase something you want to keep. It typically says something along the lines of, "Are you sure you want to delete this song?" If you're certain about your decision, you'll need to confirm. Click on Yes, Confirm, or whatever the confirmation button is labeled as. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a song from your Suno AI account. Remember, once a song is deleted, it's usually gone for good, so make sure you're absolutely sure before you confirm. Keeping your song library updated and organized can be extremely beneficial, especially if you regularly add new tracks or like to keep everything just right. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments you may have in the section below. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!